Today I am in London trying to find some of the best sandwich shops here, and today's sandwich shop has been recommended, highly recommended by you guys, so I'm super excited because so many of you came and said you must try the food here, you must try the sandwiches here, and that's why I am today at Dusty Knuckle. Just standing outside Dusty Knuckle, they have got 3 locations, and I have come to their Dalston headquarters where they do a lot of their amazing breads and sandwiches. They mainly specialize in sandwiches and breads, which is why I am here really. So yeah, this is very exciting. This is a very exciting place because not only are they a business, they are social enterprise really, because they're so busy. They are using their busy kitchens to train and mentor young people at risk, so they can train them in their bakeries and then they can go find work for themselves. So such an amazing kind of side to their business. So I am going to go in now, waste no more time, but please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and hope you're enjoying this series. It's got such a lovely outside sitting area, obviously when it's sunny, and it's covered actually, so you can sit in the rain too. Let's go in. Hi Isaac, so how long have you been working here?
I've been working here for like almost 3 years now.
Wow,
Yeah.
so you've had lots of sandwiches.
I think I've tried any sandwich, to all these 3 years.
What is your best-selling sandwich?
Oh, the best-selling one at the moment for the breakfast, there's egg chili cheese.
Okay.
It's like everyone just want egg chili cheese. And for lunch, we have the chicken.
Okay, you're right now Coronation chicken.
The Coronation chicken is now the best one.
Now that you've been here so long,
Yeah.
what, according to you, makes a perfect sandwich?
The focaccia.
Yes.
And also the kitchen, of course, like these people, they know how to make like the perfect sandwich.
Yeah, good filling.
Very, you eat once and you're gonna come again tomorrow.
Well, I live very far away, so I might not be able to come. What's your most selling bread? Is it sourdough?
Bread, yes. So bread, we have the potato sourdough
Yes.
and the house sourdough.
Yes.
But the potato sourdough is my favorite, and also I think it's the best selling one also.
Is it? Because I just looked and I think you've sold out for
No,
today.
it's amazing. It tastes like you can just eat it by itself. You don't
Okay.
even need to mix it with no soup or anything.
No.
You just eat it
No
like that.
butter.
Yeah, with the
Lots
butter
of
also.
butter.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I'm excited to try the sandwiches. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thank
Oh,
you.
yeah. Thank you. Cheers.
Okay guys, so I am trying the first one, which few of you recommended I eat, and that is tomatoes, anchovies, almond aioli, some leaves, and it's in focaccia bread. And since you guys have told me, I have been very excited to try. Some of you said this is the best sandwich they've had in their life. No pressure to the sandwich, not me. Oh, by the way, this comes in at £12.60. Wow. It's actually got chopped up almonds in it. Wow. Wow. Did we hit a 5 star? That is amazing. That is amazing. Okay, just to double check I'm not wrong. I've just hit the anchovy. Wow. Wow. That is amazing. Swiftly moving on to Coronation chicken sandwich. Now this is spiced up chicken with apple, lime, raisins, almonds, and this comes in at £13.70. I love Coronation chicken. So if I were to come here on my own, I would have gone straight for this because why wouldn't I? And again, it's in focaccia bread. That one I tried because you guys asked me to. Things I do for you. Trust me. Right. I'm so excited. I normally don't like to add raisins to my, that's a personal preference, though I know it's added classically. Wow, that is good. What's not to like? I don't even mind the raisins in this. It's that good. Look at this crispy skin, I think. Crispy chicken skin. It's stunning. To wrap up this video, I genuinely can't fault it. Like, the bread is perfect, the filling is perfect, it has got the perfect seasoning, it has got the right amount of crunch, it's got lots of elements going on. I'm not going to fault it for the sake of faulting, like, come on. That has to be 5-star out of 5. That is amazing. Would I come travel all this way for the sandwich? Yes, I would. I would come there. I've just bought their potato sourdough because I'm going to make my own sandwich at home tomorrow with this because that is their best-selling bread. Yeah, if you are near a dusty Knuckle bakery, then you know that you must stop and check it out. What do you think about this series, guys? I am just sitting here on my own, babbling away to my phone, people watching me. I would love to know your thoughts. And if you have found this video interesting, please do subscribe and share, and also check out my membership. So I'm enjoying making this series. I hope you're enjoying watching it. Back to my own kitchen for a recipe next video. So I'll see you then, and till then, bye.